I will put two situations in front of you. Number one, you have brought a brand new car. Everything is brand new. The new car smell, every funky gadget covered in protective film, and the new car seats. Wow, seats के तो क्या कहने. Situation number two, you are driving your trusty 5-year-old car. It has got basic creature comforts, it's reliable, it's fuel efficient, and it's well maintained thanks to Go Mechanic. But जब आप गाड़ी में बैठे हो, you find something is missing. You want to change something. You want to feel new. अब इन दोनों केसेस में there's a common element we want to stress on. हम बात कर रहे हैं कार सीट्स एंड सीट कवर्स की. चाहे आपने ली हो एक न्यू कार या फिर आपके पास हो एक पुरानी या यूज्ड कार, you definitely need seat covers. After all, according to a driving habit survey by Ford Motor Company across 5 Asia Pacific countries, Indians spend almost 12 to 20 hours behind the steering wheel. If you are spending so much time inside your car, क्यों ना इसे स्टाइल में करें? Hey guys, welcome to another brand new episode of Go Mechanic और आज हम बात करेंगे everything about seat covers. जैसे अब अपने न्यू फोन पे स्क्रीन गार्ड एंड कवर लगाते हैं, कंसिडर सीट कवर्स फॉर योर न्यू एंड यूज्ड कार as a way to protect and enhance your investment and of course keep it like new for many years to come. पॉइंट पे आने से पहले हम बात करते हैं सीट कवर्स और उनके टाइप्स की. सीट कवर्स की हजारों वेराइटीज होती हैं, बट दे आर यूजुअली क्लासिफाइड इनटू 3 टाइप्स. नंबर 1, फैब्रिक सीट कवर्स, जो कि आपके बेसिक सीट कवर्स होते हैं. As the name suggests, fabric seat covers are made up of fabric. Fabric seat covers do the job of protecting your factory seat covers and they are also easy on your pocket. Fabric seat covers are weather resistant. चाहे winters हो या summers, fabric seat covers won't get very hot or very cold. But इसी के साथ fabric seat covers, if they get dirty, are very hard to clean. They tend to permanently absorb and stain with spillage of any drink or beverage. Fabric seat covers can also develop mold or fungus if left uncleaned. Also, inferior quality of fabric seats 4 या 5 साल में fade हो सकती है if you tend to leave your car out in the open. Second, PU leather seat covers. The second type of seat covers is a PU leather, which is a type of an artificial leather. PU leather seat cover is a type of a synthetic leather with polyurethane coating. It's often defined incorrectly and confused with real leather. PU का literally मतलब होता है polyurethane. It's 100% synthetic and animal friendly. PU leathers का सबसे बड़ा advantage होता है they are waterproof and super easy to clean and maintain. All it takes is some seat cleaner and a wet rag. PU leather seat covers आजकल मार्केट में काफ़ी पॉपुलर डिमांड में है. With PU leather seat covers, you get many options. From minimal design to custom bucket fit with custom stitching, the choices are infinite. The only con with PU leather seats is they can crack over time and have a lesser lifespan when compared to the real leather seats. अगर आप अपनी नई गाड़ी की सीट्स को प्रोटेक्ट और पुरानी गाड़ी की सीट्स को एक नया लुक देना चाहते हैं, तो PU leather seat covers are the way to go. अगर आप अपनी गाड़ी के लिए सीट कवर्स ढूंढ रहे हैं, तो डाउनलोड द गो मैकेनिक ऐप एंड ब्राउज थ्रू 200+ varieties of seat covers from top manufacturers like Elegant, Autofoam and many more. साथ ही साथ पाएं नो कॉस्ट इंस्टॉलेशन, 1 month इंस्टॉलेशन वारंटी एंड 2 साल की कलर फेडिंग वारंटी. सो डाउनलोड द गो मैकेनिक ऐप नाउ. iOS एंड एंड्रॉयड लिंक्स मैंने डिस्क्रिप्शन में दे दिया है. थर्ड, लेदर सीट कवर्स. The most expensive type of seat covers are leather seat covers. Pure leather seat covers are for those जो अपनी गाड़ी से कुछ ज़्यादा ही प्यार करते हैं. When it comes to style, durability and elegance, pure leather seat covers are one of the best choice. Though it's very comfortable, it's 4 to 5 times more expensive than other type of seat covers. However, pure leather seat covers offer unmatched durability and a longer lifespan. It's a matter of personal choice. I advise you not to go with pure leather seat covers. Instead, go with PU seat covers. To cover or not to cover? That's one crucial question. To help you decide, let us talk about some advantages of seat covers. Number 1, protection. A majority of people choose seat covers to protect the original OEM seats. आप धूल या मिट्टी को अंदर आने से नहीं रोक सकते. Everyone knows about Indian roads. Also, spillage of food and drinks can be avoided in a car, especially when you have children at the back. There is no solution to accidental spills aside from a strictly enforced no drinks, no liquid food policy inside the car. Seat covers keep the stains out और उनको clean करना होता है काफ़ी easy as compared to the original upholstery. So if you have kids in the car more often, you might not want to go for fabric seat covers. Instead, go for PU seat covers. Even the rivets on the back pocket of your jeans can also slash and damage the OEM seats. Number 2, maintenance. सबसे बड़ा advantage with seat covers is that they can be easily removed. Fabric seat covers are easy to maintain. इनको remove कीजिए and you can wash them. Some seat covers also support machine cleaning. अगर आप PU leather seat covers choose करते हैं, you can easily clean them by wiping with a towel. And still अगर आप lazy feel कर रहे हैं, you can always book a 360 car spa on our Go Mechanic app. And to help you with that, there is a special 10% discount coupon in the description box below. Number 3, UV protection. Another great advantage of seat covers is that they protect your seats from the harmful rays of the sun. अगर आपकी कार बाहर धूप में घंटों खड़ी रहती है, UV rays can penetrate through the windows and fade away your dashboard as well as upholstery. Fabric seat covers look worn after a certain period of time, but PU leather seat covers certainly last longer in terms of looks. Consider sun is a bleach. The more UV rays shine upon your car seats, the more faded and shabby they look. Number 4, new look. Another great advantage, especially for old or used cars, is that new seat covers give a new lease of life to the old interior of your car. अगर आपकी पुरानी गाड़ी की सीट डैमेज हो गई है विद टाइम, तो PU leather seat covers are the great way to cover up those tears and give your car a new and refreshed look. Number 5, resale value. If you take care of your car interior today, you will increase its resale value in the future. The better shape of your car is when you are looking to trade it or sell it, the more value you will get. ये एक proven fact है. A well-maintained car has a significantly higher value as compared to a neglected car. आपकी गाड़ी आपकी लाइफ का second biggest investment होती है. Give the love and care it deserves. Number 6, customization. Car seat covers lets you personalize your car according to your preferences. You can go for stylish, funky, pink, yellow, purple. It's entirely your choice. You know, आपकी कार का इंटीरियर बहुत कुछ कहता है about your personality. Your hatchback and compact sedan can look a lot more luxurious with some dark theme seat covers. A good color combination can really define the character of you and your car. A light color like beige, on the other hand, will make your car airy and roomier. Investing in seat covers have many advantages. From protection to customization, aesthetics to resale value. अगर आप अपनी नई गाड़ी को प्रोटेक्ट या पुरानी गाड़ी को रिफ्रेश करना चाहते हैं, Go Mechanic is the place to be. हमारे पास है अनगिनत customization option from leading brands with top level comfort from semi bucket to full bucket fitting seat covers. So this was all for this video. आशा करते हैं आपको हमारा ये वीडियो पसंद आया होगा. जाने से पहले इस वीडियो को लाइक कर दीजिए, सब्सक्राइब टू आवर Go Mechanic चैनल एंड प्रेस द बेल आइकन टू स्टे अपडेटेड विद आवर वीडियोस. सी यू ऑन नेक्स्ट सैटरडे. तब तक के लिए गुड बाय एंड हैप्पी मोटरिंग.